Spatial Design is a 2-year master's program. We have students from all over the world. We teach in English. And what's unique about our program is that we have designers and architects that we teach together, which creates a really interesting study environment that's different every semester because it really is informed by where people come from and what they have studied before. For example, scenography or furniture design or architecture, and our focus is on inhabitation. So we take as a point of departure the way people claim and use and inhabit space.
After I finished my bachelor's, I didn't really want to start all over again with architecture. So I was trying to find a program that would connect the two, maybe like design and architecture. And that's how I found the program in Copenhagen in Denmark, which is Spatial Design. And I just thought that that would be perfect to finish my master's here, so I can work with design, like a smaller scale design, and also with space.
Normally we say that we look at the interior from 3 perspectives. We have, on the one hand, a historical perspective. It's important to find out how our spaces have been used before, but we also have an anthropological perspective, which is also important when you would like to include the entire life situation in your architectural design. And then we also work a lot with tectonics, that means the art of joining and materials, and we also try to encourage our students to work in one-to-one.
Spatial design, so it's really working at the intersection of design and architecture. And we are half of the students from design and half from architecture. And honestly, you don't really feel that much of a difference, which I think is great because we learn a lot from each other. And of course, architecture students maybe have a bit more of skills in something more technical, but design students are a bit more abstract and maybe free thinking. So we really exchange a lot of what we know with each other. And also what I would say is that people come from all over the world to study here. Of course, there are a bit more Danish students, but we really do see different ways of working. And I think that's quite amazing in this program because it's an English speaking, so it's international program. And a lot of people use different mediums, so you can learn from them, like, I don't know, watercolors, pastels, drawing techniques. And I think that was something that I didn't expect to experience, but it was a really good thing that I got from this program.
I think before I started this course, I definitely saw myself being an architect, a traditional architect, but now that I'm doing a course that has design students and architecture students on it, I can see that there's a whole field of design careers that would be open to me after this. And so I don't really know exactly what job I'm going to want in a year's time, but I think my main criteria are things that don't have me behind a desk for the whole day and somewhere where I can really get to know the other people that I'm working at. So some sort of medium-sized firm, whether it be a design firm, architecture firm, and that has a lot of hands-on and work, and also client interaction as well, because I do see myself as a people person.